Where's your focus now? Have you ever wondered why you cannot finish something? Why it's so difficult to finish a project, finish a piece of art, or I don't know, something that you already start, or even though, why so hard to just start something? Why are you so afraid of starting? And you just justify yourself, oh, when I have time, oh, when I finish this job, oh, when I have this hardware, when I have this tool. Bullshit. That is bullshit. The problem is the attention. The problem is the focus. If you focus just on doing something, doing it, just doing it, like Nike says, just do it. I mean, it's a great message, right? Just do it. Just do it. And it's so hard to make the first step because we are so afraid to fail, and we are so hard to ourselves sometimes that we don't even want to start. And you can enter in a black hole where you are going to justify yourself every time that you have a great idea, and that can become a habit, a really bad habit on your mind, and you don't want that. Just try to keep creating. Doesn't matter the outcome, just attack the process, The secret, it's about inside the process, within the process. Because when you become one with the process, you start enjoying something. You start enjoying everything that you're going to do, everything that you are doing. You have to become the process. Do not think about the outcome. Do not think about, is it going to be good? Is it going to be bad? Is it going to be better than something that someone else? Stop comparing yourself. Stop thinking about how it's going to be. Stop thinking about in future and start being present. Start being inside the process. Just be the process, man. And I don't promise, fuck it. Well, the thing is that where is your focus is going to be, where is your attention is going to be your reality. And if you focus on that something that you're going to do is not good enough, or it's not going to be good enough, if you focus on, dude, I'm having the great time doing this, I'm having the great time painting this, I'm having a great time, I don't know, putting this new layer, cutting out this image, I don't know, anything. If your focus is on that, you will be enjoying everything, every stroke, every click you do, because it's natural. It's not a secret. It's something that we as humans, we have to understand, that the secret about joy, about happiness, about how to navigate in this life is just about being here, present, enjoying the process, and not thinking where are you going. You can be frustrated sometimes, but just be the process.